We initiated the first of what will hopefully be many innovation academies. We're really trying to focus a lot on STEM, so things like technology, drones, coding, anything that has to do with where things are going. But we're also trying to balance it with things like leadership skills, personal development, all those kind of things that really help these students understand both where the path could lead them, but also really what they need to know to get there. And really making this hands-on is the key. I mean, when we focused on drones, it was all about getting them involved and having them do, not just listen.
It's full circle because I'm standing here in the Coastal Science Center, which at the time that I was taking classes at Coastal Carolina University, this was where I had classes. It was a surreal experience. I walked off and got teary a couple of times just to understand the magnitude of what we were doing and the impacts that we were having.
Maurice is great. He's such an amazing catalyst and he's so inspiring. And Maurice, who double majored in business and computer science, had always been a coder. He was specifically talking about coding, saying, this is always something that I knew I could do and I knew that I could translate this into a career with potential.
Of course, I played football here at Coastal, spent some time in the NFL, and the world of coding, the world of STEM is where I returned. I returned back to what I learned at Coastal Carolina. I feel that this is truly my calling. When I say, hey, I'm a former NFL football player, that gets their attention, and I say I'm here to talk to you about coding, they're a little more receptive and they're going to receive it a little better.
That's really what motivates me, and I know that's really the intent of the organization, is really to light that spark and to show these students that they can be more than they maybe even ever imagined that they could be. We focus on underserved adolescents because so many of them are on that precipice of greatness, but they can't quite get to that next step because they're missing a mentor, they're missing a bridge to where they could be. And I love the fact that we could be that bridge and we could offer those mentors, both alumni like Maurice, professionals in the field.
Those kids were brilliant, and I want all of them to be coders right here at Coastal. That would be the dream for me.